And I don't have, did you present an order on the contempt?
I did. Let's see if I can see when it was filed. Filed July 11th. If you don't have a hard copy there, we can deal with presentation if when we come back in 2 weeks.
Okay. I don't have that. I am not, and what I'm, the back costs, the interest, standard costs, so the $46.90, the $319 interest, $70 in costs, I'll adopt all of that. At the civil sanction, I'm going to reduce to $500, and the fees I'm going to reduce to $1,500. All of that, I don't expect Ms. Gibson to be able to pay that money. I want her to stay as up to date with the support order that sounds like it's being garnished, and make as many payments as possible. But ideally, if the house can get sold, I think it's appropriate for those to be just subtracted from her side of any award for the return on the house. So we'll set presentation to the 1st. And then I don't know if Ms. Gibson is planning on filing a contempt, if she gets, or how quickly that turnaround time can be. I think we all know, based on some of her declarations, what she intends to file the contempt based on. But with her meeting with counsel later this week, we may not be able to address that. And obviously the court, what I don't want is a lot of transfer payments back and forth. So we'll look at any offsets if and when there's a potential new contempt filed by either side and the ruling of the court. So we'll enter that order, and I don't see it. I had 2 orders in my stack related to Gibson. One was the house sale, and one was the May 30th order. So we will do presentation on the 1st, along with the other, reviewing the other order.
So only request is at this point, because the children have exited daycare, it is a set sum that she owes. We'd ask that we just be able to update that full amount of what she owes through the day the children exited care.
That's appropriate. So those numbers are different on the 1st. We'll enter the final number on that date.
Very good. And I believe we've already filed a copy of the daycare billing. I'll just make sure that whatever billing is in the record goes through the date that they were last in care.
All right. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Good luck. We'll see you on the 1st.
She's able to work a full-time job. She chooses not to work a full-time job. And then the babysitter is her sister. That's her roommate. Do you guys share the same bills?
I don't work 35 hours. The state imputes me at that for exactly what he's saying, that they don't see childcare as a reason to not be working full time.
Excuse me, just hasn't even presented to the court one job application or even declared to the court under oath